Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about similes, and that's a funny looking word. It kind of looks like similar and it kind of looks like smile, but you actually say it similes, similes. So what are similes? Well, we're going to read this story about similes, and if you notice, it says skin like milk, hair of silk. What are similes and metaphors? That's the title of the story. We're going to focus on similes this week, so I am only going to read the part about similes. But this book is on Epic. If you'd like to read all of it yourself or have mom and dad read it to you, you can find it on Epic. The name of it is Skin Like Milk, Hair of Silk. Okay, so what is a simile? A simile compares two things using words like or as. So I'm going to give you an example. This morning I got to drink my coffee, and you guys know that I have to have my coffee every morning. So I could compare my coffee to something that I love because I love my coffee. So I'm going to compare it to something I love, like chocolate. So I could make a simile and say my coffee is as delicious as a yummy piece of chocolate. And I just made a simile comparing my coffee to chocolate, two things that I love in my life. Okay, so let's read. Similes are phrases that compare two unlike things, as in, her hair is soft as silk, or teachers eat like kings. Just like these, all similes contain an as or a like. And here's just one example. She's as sharp as any spike, smooth as jazz, skin like milk, and cheeks as red as roses. Similes compare things like, my dad's as old as Moses. Similes can help you say that someone in your class is as bright as polished pennies, or as slow as thick molasses. They're helpful in describing people, things, and even places, like fresh as folded laundry or all jagged like my braces. They help you paint a picture you can see inside your brain, like he's clever as a fox or her tears ran like rain. Once you learn about them, they can change your writing habits. You'll write one, two, and then a few. They'll multiply like rabbits. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that story. So you can look into this story and see all the similes where they compared two things. And they talked about how it can change your writing. So writers add similes to their writing to make it more fun and interesting. And in poetry, writers do that a lot. They add lots of similes to their poems because a poem is a way of expressing yourself and expressing something about things that you love, like my coffee. So this week, you're going to practice writing similes, making similes, and at the end of the week, you're going to get to write your poem, a poem about nature using similes. So be thinking about all the similes you can find around you, like maybe when you get embarrassed, your cheeks are as red as apples. Or maybe when you're feeling really, really smart, you say, smart as a tack. Or maybe when you're looking at something colorful, I could say the napkin is as white as snow. So you can use many, many things to compare. See how many you can come up with and practice making some similes at home. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.